Hello everyone. Today is a discuss exercise 11.1 question number 8. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be x years. Suppose let us take one example. Suppose Radha's age is suppose Radha's age Radha's age is equal to suppose 10 years. Right? Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Therefore, Leela's age, therefore, Leela's age will be Leela's age will be 10 minus 4, that is 6 years. That is 6 years. But we have to express the terms in terms of x, right? Let Radha's age is equal to x years. Therefore, Leela's age will be x minus 4 years. That is in the same way, right? That means if Radha's age is x years, then Leela's age is x minus 4 years, right? This is the Leela's age in terms of Radha's age, right? Leela's age is x minus 4 years. This is the solution of question number 8.